Hello students, welcome to your English class. I'm your teacher Ragni Tiwari. I hope you all are doing good. Okay, so till now we have talked about sentences and nouns, and today we are going to talk about adjectives. Okay, this is our today's topic in grammar, grade 7th. Now, before moving on to adjectives, I always emphasize on this thing that you guys know to know the actual meaning of the word. We are not going to cram anything. We are going to understand that the word really mean, okay? So, adjective, now what adjective has the word add. Can you see this word? Add. So it has this word add, which means add, and adjective means to add something. It means it is adding something. Okay, adding means you are going to describe something more in someone or something. If I say my friend's name is Sam, okay, if I say to you that my friend's name is Sam, okay, and I say that Sam is a nice person. So I am adding something to Sam. I'm giving more information about Sam, that he is a nice person, okay. So adjective is add or describe something more of a noun or pronoun is called an adjective, okay. So let's read the definition it has given here. We are going to describe nouns and pronouns through this definition. Words that are used to describe a noun or pronoun are called adjectives. Okay, so with the words adjectives, we will describe noun or pronoun, right? If I say a bag, if I say only a bag, suppose there is a bag and I would like to describe about that bag something more. So I have said a small bag. What I said? A small bag, written over here, a small bag. So here I'm telling you more about this noun. Bag is your noun. So I'm telling you more about this noun, bag. So I'm telling you that bag is really small. Okay? It is actually small. So I'm describing this noun, this bag, to you while adding this adjective small. Okay? So small will be the adjective over here. Okay? It is, this word is your adjective here because this word is describing your noun bag. Let's talk about another example, like a dog. If I say a dog, then I say a black dog. A black dog. So black would be the adjective because it is describing this dog. How's the dog? The dog is black. Okay, so black is the adjective. It describes this noun dog. So I hope it's clear to you. Now let's move on the kinds of adjectives. Now there are 6 kinds of adjectives which I have written over here, and we are going to discuss them one by one. Okay, the 6 adjectives are adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjective. Okay, these 6 adjectives we are going to discuss over here, and let's move on the first one, adjective of quality, right? So here is your adjective of quality. Now, what do you mean by quality? If I say quality, adjective of quality, so what do you mean by quality? Quality means something or the characteristics of feature of something. Okay, something's characteristics feature. Okay, that is quality. Like if you are describing your friend, suppose here I'm just giving you an example that you are describing your friend or you are describing your teacher, like she is a very good teacher, right? You are describing your teacher like she is a very good teacher. So the word here good would mean the adjective of quality. You are talking about the quality of your teacher, that your teacher is good. Okay, so let's read the definition over here. It expresses the kind or quality of a person or thing, right? So what definition says? The definition says, the adjective of quality's definition is that it expresses the kind of quality of a person or thing. By this adjective we can come to know that what is the quality of that, of any kind of person or thing. For example, the first one is, Ishita is a brave girl. Ishita is a brave girl. So Ishita is a noun here. See, Ishita is also Ishita is a noun here, and girl is also a noun here. Girl is a noun here. So you are telling more about Ishita. What that? Yes, she is a brave girl. She is a brave girl. You are describing the quality of Ishita, or you are describing the quality of a girl whose name is Ishita. And what is Ishita's quality? She is a brave girl. She is brave girl. So here, brave girl, brave, that is her quality. Okay, so here brave is the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay, with this word we can describe the quality of Ishita, brave, that she is brave girl. Another example, she is a very honest teacher. She is a very honest teacher. Again, here I am giving you the same example. You are describing a quality of a teacher, right? Teacher is your noun, and you, with this word honest, you are describing here the quality of a teacher, right? So whenever you are describing somebody's quality or defining somebody's or someone's quality, that is called your quality of adjective. Some more examples you can see here. With these words you can make your adjective of quality sentence, like honest, kind, bulky. Bulky means heavy, thin, beautiful, smart. So these are the example of adjective of quality. I hope this is clear to you. So moving on to the next kind of adjectives, adjective of quantity. Now we will be moving on our next type of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. Don't get confused, student. It's quantity, and the previous one was quality. Now what do we mean by quantity? If I say quantity, what it means? Yes, it is something like when we talk about the amount of something. Okay, let's read the definition. These adjectives tell us how much amount of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, focus on this word amount. This word. Okay, you are focusing here the word amount. They are not going to tell you about the exact number. Keep it in mind, students. Okay, it's just a quantity, right? Next one. However, they do not provide the exact number. As I already told you, these quantity is not providing you the exact number, right? How? Let's read the example. There is not much milk in the jug. Now, what are we talking about here? We are talking about milk. What milk is your noun? Okay, we are talking about milk here. So I am not quantifying it because it's an uncountable noun. Milk is your uncountable noun. Only see the word much. This word, much. Right? See the word much here. The much is the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. You are not telling the exact number of the milk because it is uncountable noun, students. Right? And so you are not describing the numbers. Keep it in mind. Okay. Next example is, I need some money to buy stationery. I need some money to buy stationery. So here the word some. This word some. The sum would be an adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Money is your noun. Okay. So it is describing this noun, but not showing the exact number, only showing the quantity of the money, that how much money I need just some money, right? So more example to this would be like much, enough, little, all, many. If you are talking about sweets, suppose you are eating and you are asking how more sweets, no, that I would say that was all. So all here would be again the adjective of quantity. So students, today we have discussed what is the meaning of adjectives and how many kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. Okay, and today we have discussed adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. So this is it for today's video. We will meet in our next video with another kinds of adjectives. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.